1. Introducing the 1959 Ford Coupe, currently available for purchase at $15,000. This car, with a mileage of 49,900 miles, automatic transmission, turquoise exterior and interior, is in excellent condition and represents a special specimen with an interesting history. This car was given to the seller's sister by their father, who owned a dealership in Nebraska when it was brand new. The seller acquired the car in July 2022 and has since carried out a series of updates and restoration work. The engine and transmission have been completely restored, and the front of the car has undergone a full overhaul with the replacement of many parts. A complete brake service was performed, shocks, radiator, and fuel tank were replaced. All brake system pipes were also replaced. This Ford Coupe is currently in very good condition, with no serious damage or issues. It is a well-maintained car with an excellent history and recent improvements, ready to delight its new owner. The turquoise exterior and interior give it a distinctive look, making it a unique collector's car. 2. Introducing the 1979 Ford F350, currently available for purchase at $16,000. This truck, with a mileage of 37,000 miles, automatic transmission, red exterior, and a functional air conditioning system, is a unique specimen ready to delight its new owner. Powered by a robust 460 CI Camper Special engine, this truck is ideal for heavy loads and long journeys. The interior is in excellent condition, and according to the Marti report, this truck was produced as a one-of-a-kind configuration in 1979. The truck has been updated with new brakes throughout, and a new electronic fuel pump has been installed, enhancing its performance and reliability. It operates remarkably comfortably, and the fully functional cruise control adds an extra level of convenience during trips. With this Ford F350, you are guaranteed not only efficient performance for work tasks, but also a comfortable retro-style driving experience. With its unique history and updates, it represents an excellent investment for collectors and enthusiasts of classic trucks. 3. Introducing the 1977 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, currently available for purchase at $16,000. This truck, with a mileage of 84,000 miles, automatic transmission, white exterior, and no significant damages or issues, is a unique specimen with numerous enhancements and modifications. The truck is equipped with a 4.8 V8 engine specially tuned for turbocharging. Changes such as installing the intake manifold, Holley fuel rails, injectors, and custom fabrication for the turbo kit have been made. The use of a pure ethanol E85 fuel system provides additional efficiency and performance. Special features also include a range of interior modifications, such as a new interior, a Bluetooth-enabled audio system, and subwoofers, a fiberglass aerodynamic hood, American wheels, and additional suspension modifications make this Chevrolet Silverado 1500 not only powerful, but also stylish. While the exterior may not be perfect, the truck presents an attractive option for those seeking a powerful and unique vehicle with customization potential. It is ready for rides with confidence in its performance and allure. 4. Introducing the 1979 Lincoln Continental, currently available for purchase at $25,000. This two-door coupe, with a mileage of 19,500 miles, automatic transmission, blue exterior and interior, operates and looks in excellent condition. Owned by a single owner since its acquisition, the car has been garage-kept, preserving its originality and flawlessness. The car embodies an exceptional condition without rust, dents, or scratches. With documented mileage of 19,500 miles, it is a true time capsule. Original invoices and all documents from the time of purchase, along with the original keys, emphasize its history and authenticity. This Lincoln Continental retains its factory air conditioning, which still functions perfectly, and is equipped with the original AM/FM stereo system with an 8-track cassette player. The owner also includes additional parts for the car. The car boasts numerous features, including working power windows and door locks, as well as functional turn signals and windshield wipers. The condition of this car is top-notch, and it remains impeccable after all these years. The owner decides to move on to something new while preserving the history and beauty of this Lincoln Continental. 5. Introducing the 1956 Buick Special, currently available for purchase at $22,999. This car, with a mileage of 57,588 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and represents a true example of cleanliness and originality. The red exterior and red interior of this 1956 Buick Special two-door hardtop look outstanding. The car has recently undergone a high-quality paint job, and the interior has been reupholstered, providing a fresh and well-maintained appearance. Built with the Buick 90-degree V8 engine and featuring the original dashboard and instruments, this Buick Special offers a successful combination of preserved originality and enhanced aesthetics. The car has no rust and operates reliably. The windows are in excellent condition, without any cracks. Adhering to high standards of care, all essential components of the car have been meticulously maintained in good condition. This 1956 Buick Special comes with a clean title and current registration, ensuring the accuracy of all documents. The owner takes pride in this car and is ready to offer it to a new owner who values the combination of beauty, preservation, and history. 6. Introducing the 1956 Lincoln Premier, a beautiful example of luxury and elegance, now available for purchase at $11,000. This car, with a mileage of 89,000 miles, is a reliable companion with a history of ownership by only 2 owners. The burgundy body color and gray interior create a stylish appearance, complemented by numerous comfortable options such as power steering, electric windows, power seats, and air conditioning. The heart of this car is the 368i block engine, providing ample power for a comfortable ride. While the car is already running reliably, there are occasional situations where the engine may stall, possibly requiring carburetor adjustment. However, with the recent replacement of the electric fuel pump and carburetor reconstruction, the car has already undergone some improvements. Despite its current reliability, the car may require some attention to details to restore its full splendor. The air conditioning system, electric windows, and power seats require some care, including the replacement of motors for 3 of the windows and the front seat. The owner offers this Lincoln Premier for $11,000, or the best offer. All necessary updates, including a new electric fuel pump and reconstructed carburetor, have already been completed, and the car is ready to find its new owner who appreciates vintage cars with the potential for restoration to full glory. 7. Introducing the stunning 1973 Dodge Challenger, currently available for purchase at $23,900. This car, with a mileage of 133,000 miles, is a true symbol of the era of large and powerful muscle cars. The exterior of the Challenger is finished in a classic black color, giving it a durable and aggressive look. The interior is also in black, emphasizing the style and luxury of this classic car. Powered by a gasoline engine with a displacement of 318 cubic inches and an automatic transmission, it provides a smooth and powerful driving experience. Additionally, this Challenger is free from rust, and its body maintains straight lines, making it even more appealing to collectors and enthusiasts of classic cars. The car has been stored since 2015, but even after such a period of inactivity, it starts instantly, confirming the health of its engine. Nevertheless, some minor carburetor adjustments may be needed to achieve optimal performance. All lighting and sensors function properly, creating a carefree driving experience, and a clean title with no serious damages ensures that you are getting a reliable and high-quality car. The 1973 Dodge Challenger is not just a car. It's a true piece of automotive history ready to hit the road again. 8. I present to you a unique opportunity to become the owner of the magnificent 1956 Buick Special, currently available for purchase at $27,500. This splendid car, with a mileage of 80,000 miles, is a true example of beauty and elegance, preserving its original charm. The exterior of this Buick Special stands out with its black color, emphasizing the style and sophistication of the car. Thanks to the absence of a pillar between the windows, this car gains additional charm and uniqueness. The original transmission and engine make this Buick Special an authentic historical treasure. Remarkably, this car has never been repainted, highlighting its authenticity and historical value. Although the car has been standing for about a year, it started instantly when driven out of storage, indicating the reliability and quality of its engine. There is a minor detail, a slight fuel leak around the carburetor, but the seller promises to address this issue. Additionally, there is a small crack in the front passenger window, and the seller is currently working on its replacement. Otherwise, this Buick Special is a wonderful machine with a historical legacy, ready to revive its beauty on the roads with a new owner. 9. Presenting the magnificent 1955 Ford Fairlane, available for purchase at $49,900. This car is currently on sale, and its unique features and modifications make it a true work of art. This two-door hardtop captures attention with its red exterior, both outside and inside. It is equipped with an automatic transmission for comfortable control. This Ford Fairlane has had several previous owners, 3+, and it is currently fully paid off with a clean title. The car has been modified to meet the highest standards of performance and style. The front features a Fatman frame with tubular upper and lower control arms, fully adjustable shocks, and a fully adjustable rack and pinion for maximum on-road control. Additionally, a rack and pinion steering system has been installed for easy maneuverability. The car is powered by a new 302 crate engine, providing reliability and excellent performance. The AOB overdrive transmission ensures road efficiency, and the 8.8 Posey traction rear end delivers excellent traction. This Ford Fairlane is also equipped with vintage air heating and air conditioning for comfortable rides. The braking system provides powerful and efficient stopping, and electric windows have been installed for added convenience. The car looks fantastic both inside and out, and its paint and interior are in excellent condition. This Ford Fairlane is ready for road adventures and will leave an unforgettable impression on its new owner. 10. Introducing the wonderful 1976 Ford Mustang, available for purchase at $16,000. This car is currently for sale and represents a well-maintained example of the 1976 Mustang II Gaia. The current owner has been taking care of this car since August 2016, and several careful maintenance measures have been undertaken. The car is regularly used, with less than 53,000 miles on it. The 302 V8 engine starts instantly, providing excellent performance, as does the rebuilt automatic transmission in December 2022. During this period, the entire exhaust manifold was also completely replaced. The carburetor was replaced earlier this year, resulting in improved engine performance. The car is in very good condition, according to the owner, who is the third owner. The second owner was a Mustang collector in California who owned the car for 27 years. In 2022, new tires were installed, and no signs of rust have been detected. Several stylish enhancements have been made to the car during ownership, which can easily be removed to return to the original style. This includes LED halo headlights and reverse lights, custom-painted grille emblems, fenders, rear wing, and trunk, as well as a few other details. The interior features a new blue carpet and seats with a checkered finish from Classic Auto reproductions. Options include the Gator trim package, power steering, disc brakes, air conditioning, and a folding rear seat. The car was delivered by Downtown Ford Sales in Sacramento, California, in October 1975. A Marty report is also available. It's worth noting that this year the car was involved in a minor collision, resulting in some cosmetic damage. These defects include a small dent in the chrome trim around the driver's front wheel, a minor cut on the rear white wall of the driver's wheel, scratches on the driver's door below the body molding, and scuffs on the bright panel of the side molding, which is easily replaceable.